Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murahar Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain the determinants problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If delta A not equal to 0 and A minus 2i into A minus 3i equal to O given, then we have to find A inverse. Okay, so where O is null matrix. So what is given? A minus 2i into A minus 3i equal to O. First A we should multiply A into A square minus A multiply with 3i. 3ia minus 2ia multiply to all minus 2ia minus into minus 2 3 is 6i square. Okay. So I square is equal to I, where I to the power n is equal to I for all n belongs to natural numbers. Okay. So I into any matrix, I into A is equal to A, where I is unit matrix. So A square minus 3a minus 2a minus 5a plus 6i is equal to O. Okay. But our target is A inverse. So we should multiply A inverse on both sides. Multiply A inverse on both sides. It will going to be A inverse into A minus 5 into A inverse into A plus 6 into A inverse into I equal to A inverse into O. A inverse into null matrix is null matrix. So A inverse into A. So A inverse into A is equal to I. It will going to be I into A minus 5 into A inverse into A is I. 6 into A inverse into I. It will going to be A inverse is equal to O. But our target is A inverse. So I into A is nothing but A. So plus A minus 5A bring the right side. 6A inverse is equal to 5I minus A. Okay, therefore A inverse is equal to 5I minus A by 6. This is answer. Okay. Now I am going to explain question number 2. The matrix A is equal to x3 to 1y4 to 2z. Okay, and xyz is equal to 60. 8x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 20. Then we have to find A into adjoint A. A into adjoint A. So what are given? One A matrix given, 3 by 3 matrix. So two values x, y, z as well as 8x plus 4y plus 3z values are given. Then we have to find A into adjoint A. A into adjoint A is equal. We know that A into adjoint A formula. That A into I. That A into I. First we have to find that A value. So that A is equal to that of x3 to 1y4 to 2z. it will going to be plus minus plus. Okay, x into yz minus 8 minus 3 times of, so 3 present in first or second column. So remaining that 2 z minus 8, z minus 8 plus 2 times of, it will going to be 2 minus 2y. So xyz minus 8x minus 3z plus 24 plus 2 to the 4 minus 4y. So xyz value given 60. So 28 plus 28. In this minus 1 take out common, 8x plus 4y plus 3z. It will going to be 60 plus 28 minus 8x plus 4y plus 3z value given from statement 20. So it will going to be 68. Okay. So this is, let us take equation 1. From equation 1, a into adjoint a. A into adjoint a is equal to delta a into I. Where delta a value we have got 68, 68 into I. So 68 into I value, right, 100, 010, 001. Okay, it will going to be 68, 00, 068, 0, 0068. This is answer. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 3. This is very, very important formula. A into adjoint A is equal to delta A into I. Okay, in this delta A, we should write xyz value given 60, 8x plus 4y plus 3z value. This is also given 20, this value. So delta A value we have got 68. So 68 into I. This is answer. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 3. If ABC are n by n matrices and data of A is equal to 2, data of B is equal to 3, and data of C is equal to 5, then we have to find data of A square B C inverse. Okay, we have data of PQR. Data of PQR is equal to det P into det Q into det R. So data of, what is our target? Data of A square B C inverse. It will be det A square into det B into det C inverse. The data of A to the power K. We have det A whole power K formula. Okay, it will going to be det A whole square, det B. So det C inverse. Det C inverse is det C whole inverse. The det C is one scalar. Det C whole inverse. It will going to be det A whole square, det B. So det C is one constant. Constant power minus 1 is by 1 by constant. So det A value given 2 square. Det B value given 3 by 5. It will going to be 4 3 is 12 by 5. So answer is 12 by 5. Okay. So this is very, very important formula. 1, 2, 3. Now I am going to explain question number 4. If data of 1, 4, 1, 3 plus 1 by 2, 4, 1 by 3, 3, 1 by 4, 4, 1 by 9, 3, plus and so on infinity. Okay, find this value. So data of, so what is the first element? 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, like. So 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus and so on up to infinity. What is the second element? 4, right, as it is. So 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 9. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus and so on infinity. Next element, right, as it is 3. We have infinite sum of infinite GP is equal to A by 1 minus R. Okay, where modulus of R less than 1, where A is first term. So in this first term, the 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus and so on. So the sum of this infinite GP S infinity equal to, what is the formula? A by 1 minus R, where A is first term 1 by R. Common ratio is 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 2. Next, 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 and so on infinity. Therefore, as sum of infinite GP, it will be 1 by A by 1 minus R. Common ratio 1 by 3. This, so it will be 3 by 2. Right? This is 2, 4, 3 by 2, 3. We have data of 2 by 2 matrix formula AD minus BC. AD minus BC. So AD minus BC, it will be AD minus BC 2 into 3 minus 4 into 3 by 2. It will going to be 6 minus 12 by 2. 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. What is the answer? 0. Okay. Now I am going to explain question number 5. Question number 5. If A and B are different matrices, satisfying A cube is equal to B, A cube equal to B cube, and A square B is equal to B square A. Okay, then find out data of A square plus B square. So what is given? Two conditions are given. A cube is equal to B cube. So let us take equation 1. The second condition, A square B is equal to B square A. This is second equation. Okay. So let us do subtraction. So A cube minus A square B is equal to B cube minus B square A. It will going to be 1 A square, take out common, A minus B. In this one, B square, take out common. This is also A minus B. This is a negative value, bring the left side. It will going to be A square into A minus B plus B square into A minus B is equal to 0. Okay, not 0. This is 0 matrix. So in this one, A minus B take out common. It will going to be A square plus B square is equal to null matrix. Okay, now it will going to be A minus B into A square plus B square is equal to null matrix. Okay, taking data on both sides, data of A minus B into data of A square plus B square is equal to data of null matrix. Data of null matrix is equal to 0. Okay, so A minus B are different matrices. So this is not equal to 0. Therefore, data of A square plus B square is equal to 0, where A, B are different matrices. So what is the answer? Data of A square plus B square is equal to 0 answer. Okay, thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.